What if the perfect human was never born, but built? A being that doesn't sleep, doesn't age, doesn't forget? One that thinks faster than we do, but looks just like us. In research labs and tech companies around the world, we are assembling the building blocks of what many once thought impossible. A real artificial human. We're teaching machines how to talk, how to walk, how to feel, even how to dream. And we are far closer than most people realize. This isn't just the future. This is happening, now. But the big question is, how close are we really? Let's start with what makes us think. AI models like Claude and Gemini aren't just autocomplete engines anymore. They're forming thoughts, analyzing emotions, and even remembering who you are. Researchers are now building AI systems that mimic working memory, the kind that helps us hold a thought, reason with it, and carry it into the next conversation. One experiment from DeepMind trained an artificial intelligence to learn new facts and recall them days later. Not because it was programmed to, but because it learned how to remember. Some are calling this a digital form of consciousness. It's not self-aware yet, but it's getting disturbingly close. Meanwhile, neurosymbolic models are combining raw data with logic-based reasoning, giving AI the ability to understand context and make decisions, not just predictions. We're no longer asking what will AI say next. We're asking why it says it. And that sounds a lot like thought. But what good is a mind if it can't speak? With tools like 11 Labs, we've now given AI a voice, and not just any voice. These systems can replicate anyone's speech with uncanny precision, including subtle human traits like breathiness, emotional cracks, and natural pauses. They don't just talk, they sound like us. They sound like someone you know. Companies are already using this to recreate the voices of actors or influencers, even loved ones who've passed away. And it goes deeper. Voice AI is being integrated into real-time conversations, support lines, and virtual assistants. Soon, you may not even realize you're talking to a machine. The voice is no longer a robotic monotone. It's relatable, it's convincing, it's human. Next comes the body. Meet a mecha, one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built. It can blink, smile, look confused, and react in real time to facial cues. It doesn't just move, it expresses. Meanwhile, Tesla's Optimus robot is being trained to walk, lift, and interact with the real world. Not just in pre-programmed ways, but with dynamic, adaptable movement. Companies like Sanctuary AI are teaching robots human-like dexterity to use tools, fold clothes, even cook. We're giving robots muscles, joints, and reflexes. Soon, they won't just look human. They'll move exactly like humans too. Once limited to science fiction, human-shaped machines are quickly becoming reality. And they're learning fast. But being human isn't just about moving or thinking. It's about feeling. So how do we give AI a soul? Some researchers are trying exactly that. At MIT, a project called Empath AI is being developed to recognize emotional cues from tone of voice, facial expressions, and even body language, and respond with emotional intelligence. These systems don't just detect sadness. They listen. They try to offer comfort. Now, here's the question. If an AI can make us feel seen, heard, and understood, is that real emotion? Or is it just a perfect imitation? And if the imitation is good enough to fool our senses, does the difference even matter anymore? And then, there's us. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are building brain-machine interfaces, tiny implants that connect our thoughts directly to computers. What started as a medical solution for paralysis could soon become the gateway to cognitive enhancement. Imagine thinking a sentence and having it appear on a screen, or controlling a drone with just your mind. This isn't just about building artificial humans, it's about blending humans and machines. The future may not be robots versus humans. It may be both. So let's take a step back. We have the mind, artificial intelligence that can think and remember. We have the voice, lifelike, emotional, human-sounding speech. We have the body, robots that can move, express, and interact. And we're even getting closer to giving it something resembling a soul. Piece by piece, we are assembling something extraordinary. It's not conscious, not alive, not yet, but it's more than just lines of code. So how close are we? The truth is, closer than we've ever been. Closer than most of us realize, and maybe closer than we're ready for. When the first true artificial human emerges, will we embrace it? Will we fear it? Or will we see ourselves in it? Only time will tell. This is just the beginning of what artificial intelligence could become. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, subscribe to Unveil Point and join us as we explore tech, mysteries, AI, and the unexplained. Until next time, stay curious and let us do the research for you.